Welcome to another informative video about UpKeep's innovative solutions. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we'll show you how UpKeep is helping hospitals across the United States, especially during the current pandemic. You will see how our computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, aids in real-time tracking of medical equipment and inventory, ensuring healthcare facilities are always prepared. Now, let's get started with a story from a small-town hospital in Craig, Colorado. As the world grapples with the coronavirus pandemic, hospitals across the United States are preparing for the inevitable. They're securing isolation space, preparing medical staff, and obtaining essential protective gear, testing kits, and medical equipment. This is true even in smaller towns like Craig, Colorado, where the staff at Memorial Regional Health are preparing for the inevitable arrival of the virus. Clint Jantz, a clinical engineer at Memorial Regional Health, shares how his organization has been proactive in maintaining control during this outbreak. Being about 4 hours away from both Denver and Salt Lake City, it can be challenging for the hospital to quickly obtain equipment or parts for repairs. That's why it's crucial for them to ensure their medical equipment, like ventilators and IV pumps, are ready for use. To achieve this, they use a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS for short. Now, you may be wondering, how does a CMMS help in such a situation? Well, thanks to UpKeep's mobile-first CMMS, Clint can keep track of the hospital's inventory in real time. He can quickly check how many ventilators are on site and where they're located, or how many IV pumps are available. This accurate data and the relevant maintenance records ensure that Memorial Regional Health is as prepared as possible to meet the potential of increased healthcare demands in its community. A few years back, the biomedical and engineering departments of the hospital were using a single software solution to track maintenance requests on assets and inventory. But it wasn't effective or efficient for both departments. They needed a new CMMS. After exploring about 6 possibilities, UpKeep stood out for its functionality, ease of use, streamlined features, and affordable cost. Today, the biomedical department uses UpKeep full-time. Around 350 employees, including nurses, doctors, managers, and others who use the healthcare equipment, have access to the dashboard and the ability to submit work orders. The hospital uses UpKeep to manage all of its assets, which helps it stay accountable to its accrediting agency. In the current environment, it's important to keep a close eye on things while maintaining a safe social distance. Clint can see work orders as soon as they come in, even if he's not technically on the clock. He can see these orders in real time on UpKeep's dashboard. Unlike paper orders that can get lost or misplaced, UpKeep leaves a digital footprint of previous work orders. Clint and his technicians can communicate responsibly from a social distance, using UpKeep's digital maintenance tracking tool. The staff at Memorial Regional Health have invested time in building out preventive maintenance schedules and tasks. Clint can now track work orders by month and for each department. He can show state authorities that their maintenance teams are upholding the highest quality of care when it comes to maintaining critical equipment. With UpKeep's CMMS, the hospital maintenance team has all the information it needs to make wise decisions regarding critical assets and equipment. These decisions help Clint and his staff succeed in delivering superior patient care. Clint shares, "What motivates me is providing the best equipment for patient care in our current day and age. I want to provide easier access to equipment and easier user functionality for the clinicians. At the end of the day, it's about our patient care." Especially in today's world, where many countries are struggling to keep up with equipment needs, Clint wants to ensure his hospital has access to equipment and parts, and a solid handle on where those parts are located. UpKeep has helped him ensure that his inventory isn't lost, stolen, or misplaced. He no longer has to worry about these things keeping him awake at night. Thank you for watching this video about how UpKeep's CMMS is helping hospitals manage their equipment and inventory, especially during these challenging times. We've seen how UpKeep's real-time tracking and digital maintenance tracking tool are making a difference in hospitals like Memorial Regional Health. If you found this video informative and want to learn more about UpKeep, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to sharing more about how UpKeep is revolutionizing maintenance and reliability for organizations across the globe.